We're going to talk a little bit now about using the smartboard as an overhead projector. The smartboard can be used in much the same ways as the good old overhead projectors were. One of the ways we can show you is if we were to paste a Word document onto a blank page, we can manipulate it like you would with the old overhead so that you actually write on top of it. And you can highlight words, underline words, or something like that when you have the one overlay over another. So here's something about an overhead projector. And I'm just going to say, I want to take this part of it. Actually, I'll do all this. And I'm going to do, I'll go off the menu. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to my notebook file. So I'm here, I'm going to do an edit paste. And here's that little bit. Now I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that you can actually see it. And there's a couple ways to do it. There's actually a tool that we can put on the toolbar for you. But if you don't have it available right now, you can do a zoom and say I want to do it to 150% so that we can actually get a good view of it. So here I am, I'm with my class. I want to have them show me all the words that begin with P. Well, I can go here to my pen. I can make it look like a yellow highlighter, and Joey can come up and say, oh, there's one, there's projectors. Here's projected. I'll probably want to make that a little bit smaller. So I can go to my properties, make it like that, and then Julie's going to use the green one, and she's going to say pictures. Oh, it's so pretty big. So as far as using it like that, you can do that. You can underline. This part won't change. Okay, you've put that in as an object, and it's really like a picture of it. It's not text that you can manipulate at that point. But you can now act like you have a transparency over it and point out whatever you want, either with arrows. I can do a line and say, oh, I want you all to focus here. Okay, and it might be a picture that you're trying to draw attention to, or it might be pieces of text. It could be anything you want to display.